intelligent animals on Earth, and how they outsmart humans. They say humans are the smartest creatures on Earth. But what if that's not entirely true? Somewhere in the deep ocean, a creature with 8 arms is solving puzzles faster than scientists expected. In the skies, a black-feathered genius remembers faces for years. And deep in the jungle, a silent giant grieves its dead. Today, we uncover the most intelligent animals on Earth, and how some of them might even outsmart us. Intelligence comes in many forms. For centuries, humans believed that problem-solving, communication, and self-awareness made us unique. But modern science has shattered that illusion. From the depths of the sea to the highest branches of the forest, animals show astonishing abilities, creativity, empathy, even culture. In this journey, we'll meet 4 extraordinary species: the octopus, the crow, the dolphin, and the elephant. Each one proves that genius exists far beyond humanity. The octopus, an alien mind in an earthly body. With over 500 million neurons spread across its arms, this creature doesn't just think, it feels, it plans, it learns. In laboratories, octopuses have opened jars, escaped sealed tanks, and even learned to mimic other animals. One famous case shocked scientists. Inky, an octopus in a New Zealand aquarium, escaped his enclosure one night, slithered across the floor, and disappeared through a tiny drain pipe, straight into the Pacific Ocean. Researchers call it the Great Escape. But it was more than that. It was proof of foresight and problem-solving, traits once thought purely human. Some experts now believe octopuses have short-term memories similar to ours and even exhibit individual personalities, playful, shy, or curious. If intelligence is the ability to adapt, the octopus may be one of the smartest beings on this planet. Meet the crow, small brain, massive intellect. Scientists in Japan conducted an experiment. Crows learned to drop nuts on crosswalks so that cars would crack them open. Then they waited for the red light, to safely collect the food. That's not instinct, that's strategy. In another study, New Caledonian crows crafted tools from twigs to reach insects hidden in tree bark. They even passed these techniques to younger crows, proving that animal culture exists. And they never forget a face. In a 10-year experiment, researchers who once trapped crows wore masks. Every time they appeared, the crows screamed and warned others, even generations later. Revenge, memory, cooperation, sounds very human, doesn't it? Dolphins are the poets of the sea, emotional, social, and shockingly aware. Each dolphin has a unique signature whistle, like a name, used to identify itself and call others. They understand syntax, follow complex commands, and even recognize themselves in mirrors, one of the highest signs of consciousness. In the wild, dolphins cooperate with fishermen in Brazil, driving fish toward nets, then catching what escapes. The humans and dolphins have been doing this for generations. And when one dolphin dies, others often carry its body for hours, refusing to let go. Empathy, communication, grief, these aren't human inventions. They are part of life's oldest intelligence. Elephants, the gentle giants of wisdom. Their brains weigh over 5 kilograms, larger than any land animals. They recognize themselves in mirrors, mourn their dead, and travel miles to visit the bones of relatives. When a baby elephant cries, the entire herd responds. When one is injured, others lift and protect it. But perhaps the most astonishing trait is their memory. Elephants remember water holes after decades, recognize humans who helped them, and those who hurt them. In one case in Kenya, a herd traveled for hours to the home of a man who once rescued one of them, days after he passed away. They stood silently outside for hours. Coincidence? Or grief? Intelligence wears many faces. Some have tusks, others feathers, fins, or tentacles. For too long, we measured the world by human standards. But every creature you've seen today proves that the spark of mind is everywhere, not just in us. Perhaps the real question isn't how smart these animals are, but whether we're smart enough to truly understand them. If you enjoyed this journey beyond the known, subscribe for more stories that reveal the mysteries of life, science, and nature. This is Beyond the Known, where the world's greatest secrets come to light.